World War II changed the world and gave us some of the most iconic aircraft of all time. Hundreds of thousands of new airplanes were designed, built, and flown to help protect the world as we know it. In 1988, North American Aviation, one of the most important aircraft manufacturers in the U.S., planned to burn thousands of experimental drawings stored in their archives. Through a twist of fate, one of their employees, Ken Jungeberg, stopped them. Not only did he keep the drawings from being destroyed, he has transferred them to AirCorps Aviation to be seen for the first time ever.
This collection contains North America's most iconic aircraft, such as the P-51, B-25, T-6, you name it. This collection will change what we know about North American aircraft.